Oh no. We're back again with a dirty spot on our glasses. No, yeah, we're back again. And today we are doing an oil change. So I just found out I don't have everything I need. So I don't want to film something that I'm just gonna hear about in the comments section. So I don't even know if I'm gonna post this. I look dumb, dry, and crusty. I have so much to do today. I have to donate toys. I have to just life. Okay, so we got this open, and now I just need to drain it from the plug, but I have to take something off, and then I can remove the filter. And I only got this plastic off, but what is it? Now we're just gonna drain this thing, and then drain that thing, make the change, and we'll be okay. I know I always come back with these weird angles. Look at my bangs. Look at my fucking bangs. But yeah, I drained the plug, and the filter was stuck, so I punctured a hole through it to maybe release pressure so that I could take it off easily. We're just gonna let it drain out a little bit. I'm gonna puncture a bigger hole in it right now because I only had a small screwdriver. Okay, so this is probably why I've been told, do your own oil change and don't take your car to a mechanic, because this was stuck. They said that I should be able to twist it off with my hands, but I couldn't, and don't mind the crows, but I had to use this to get it off. And I'm sorry I'm not wearing gloves. I wore some when I bleached my hair, and now I'm not wearing some, but yeah, I had to use this. This didn't work, so I was scared I was gonna crush it, but yeah, I got it twisted off now. Okay, so this is the new one, and now even if I do take it to a mechanic or do it myself, it has this nice little easy twist off in case I tighten it too much. Okay, so I forgot to film the part where I actually put the oil in, but my car takes about 4 quarts, so 4 quarts about is what we gave him. And yeah, now I'm just the car on, just make sure that it's enough. Okay, so I checked the dipstick, and I'm back on a different day, and it's just hilarious how I can look on different days. And I just look crusty as hell, and I can't get over it. Versus today, I actually, the first thing that I did was not get dirty.